Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn about the new lesson, that is fractions. Yes, before going to that, we will see what is meant by fraction. In Latin word, the fractio means to break, and the term fraction refers to a part of a whole. So, in this chapter, we will learn about the types of fractions. That is, first one is the equivalent fraction, like fractions, unlike fractions. These all we will learn in this chapter. Today we are going to learn about the equivalent fractions. So here, see, first example I wrote here, one bhakri is there, or you can take pizza. If you are making two parts of that equal two parts, then how you have to write, how you are writing that into fractions here? 1 upon 2 means how many part you done? Two parts. Hey, sorry, how many parts you done? One part, and that is divided into two parts. So here 1 upon 2. Here that 1 it is called as numerator, and downside 2 it is called as denominator. Understood? So next example, here if you are making that only bhakri 4 parts, what you done now? You done 4 parts. Whatever the parts you are doing, that you have to write in the denominator. And from how many 2 parts you done? So 2 upon 4. So it is again comes it a 2 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. Means that is also 1 upon 2. If you are taking another example, if you are taken lemon and you are cutting that lemon into 3 equal parts, sorry, 6 equal parts. So here 6 equal parts. Just see first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is divided into 2 persons. So half it will get 3 upon 6 means 3 upon 6 means what it is? 1 upon 2. 3 ones are 1, 3 twos are 6. So here 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6 are the equivalent fractions, because this ratio it is coming 1 upon 2. So these all are the equivalent fractions. So another example, here one circle is there that is divided into 3 parts. Yes, again that part it is divided into 6 part. So here there are 2 upon 3 and here 4 upon 6. So 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 6 are the equivalent fraction. Why? Here 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 means that ratio is equivalent fractions. Again another example here. See that third one. Here we have done 5 parts are there. Yes. So here 5 parts they make, and from that 2 parts are shaded. See here shaded part, upside, and how many parts are done? 5 parts. Again in that box only, if you are making horizontal line to that, here just from that we get 15 parts, and in that 6 parts are the shaded box. If you are seeing, just see these two, these two, these two means 6 upon 15. That is 2 upon 5 and 6 upon 15 are again equivalent fraction. Means 2 upon 2, 3 twos are 6 and 3 fives are 15. So these all are the examples of equivalent fraction. Means the ratio is same. Yes, understood children? Again one more time I will explain. If you are taking 2 upon 4 or 3 upon 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Answer what came? 1 upon 2. 3 ones are 1, 3 twos are 6. So these three are the equivalent fractions. Yes. Again these are also, if you are taking 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. This is also both are equivalent fraction. Again if you are taking 2 upon 5, 6 upon 5, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. So that both are also equivalent fraction. Understood children what is equivalent fractions? Next, how we are obtaining the equivalent fractions? Just see again here. First one, if you are multiplying the numerator and denominator of the fraction by same non-zero number, means with the same number if you are multiplying, then you will get the equivalent fraction. Here on one example, 2 upon 3 and 10 upon 15 is there. So if you are multiplying these 2 with 5 and 3 again with 5. 5 twos are 10, 3 fives are 15. Yes. So 10 upon 15 is equivalent with 2 upon 3. Why? 5 twos are 10 and 5 threes are 15. So what the answer came? 2 upon 3. So how you are getting the equivalent fraction? If you are multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number, then you will get the equivalent fraction. And another, if you are dividing the numerator and denominator of the fraction by same non-zero number, here you have what you done here? Multiplication. And next one what you have to do? Division. So for that, here example is there, 12 upon 20. What you want? 3 upon 5. So which table both are present? So if you are seeing, both are present in fourth table. So you have to divide that with 4. So 4 threes are 12, 4 fives are 15. Then you will get 3 upon 5. So these two are the equivalent fractions. These two are the equivalent fractions. Means how we are getting? By multiplying with the same number or dividing with the same number. Understood? So we will solve the practice problem set 17. Just see first one. Write the proper number in the box. First example, 1 upon 2 is equal to box upon 20. You have to find out what in the box. If you are observing, just 1 upon 2 is there, and here what the connection is there? 2 and 20. Means if you are multiplying by 2 by 10, then you will get the 20. So what you have to do? First 1 into 10, and means that box answer is what? 10. 1 tens are 10. Whatever you are multiplying in numerator, that you have to multiply in the denominator, then only you will get that fraction number. Yes. Second one also same. 3 upon 4 is equal to 15 upon 4. So in these two connection, 3 table, 15 number is of 5. 3 fives are 15. So what you have to multiply here? 4 fives are 20. What the answer is there? 20. Understood? Next, third one, 9 upon 11 is equal to 18 upon 2. What the connection is here? 9 twos are 18. So which number you are dividing here? 2. So 11 twos are 22. Again 10 upon 14. 10 upon 40 is equal to box upon 8. You have to find out what in the box. So this is bigger number, this is smaller number. For that what you have to do? Division. So 5 8s what? 40. So here which number you are dividing? 5. So 5 2s are 10. Next 14 upon 26. So 26 and this number 13 2s are 26. So which number you are dividing? 2. So here again if you are dividing 2, so 2 7s are 14. Yes. Next 6 number dash dash upon 3 is equal to 4 by 6. So these two's connection what it is? 6 by 2 divided by 2. Then you will get 3. So 4 divided by 2 you will get 2 upon 3. Here also 4 upon 20. So if you are 4 ones are here means what number here divided? 4. So you have to divide that also 4. So if you are 4 5s are 20. What the answer is? 1 upon 5. Next box upon 5 is equal to 10 upon 25. What the number it will comes in box? Now these two connection, what the 5 5s are 25. So you have to divide these two number with 5. So 5 2s are 10. So what did the answer came? 2 upon 5. Understood children? Whatever number you are dividing numerator, you have to multiply that with numerator. And whatever number you are dividing, that also both numerator and denominator. Then only you will get the equivalent fraction. Understood? This is question number first finished. Now second question, just see. First, find an equivalent fractions with denominator 18 for each of the following fractions. Here fractions given and what you want, that denominator is 18. For that again what you have to do? Do with multiplication. Yes. So first example, 1 upon 2 is there. So if what you want in the denominator 19 you want. So which 2s are 19? 9 2s are 19. So what here? 2 into 9 is equal to 19. So here numerator also you have to multiply with 9. So what the first fraction is? 9 upon 18. Again 2 upon 3. So 3 6 is 18. So which number you have to multiply? 3 into 6 2 correct, 2 into 6 6 2s are 12 and 3 6 are 18. Again next third one, 4 upon 6. So 6 table 18, 6 3s are 18. So here also 4 3s are 12. So 12 upon 18. So next 2 upon 9. 9 2s are 18. So 2 2s are 4. 4 upon 18. Here also 7 2s are 14. 9 2s are 18. 5 6 are 30 and 3 6 are 18. Understood children? Here you are seeing, here all the denominator are 18 number. Yes. If you are observing, all the denominator they are 18. Yes. Whatever number you are multiplying with denominator, that you have to multiply with numerator. Understood? Next, find an equivalent fraction with denominator 5 for each of the following fractions. Now see, 6 upon 15. What you want in the denominator? 5. So 3 5s are 15. So which number you have to divide? With 3. So 6 divided by 3, 15 divided by 3, you will get 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So what it is in the denominator? 5. Next, 10 upon 25. So what you want here in the denominator? 5. So 5 5s are 25. Therefore here also what, which number? 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 25 5s are. So what the answer it came? 2 upon 5. Next 12 upon 30. So here what you want? 6 5s are 35. So here also what, which number you have to divide? 6. So 6 2s are 30. 6 5s are 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 30, 6 5s are 30. Next fourth one, 6 upon 10. Here which which number you have to divide? By 2. Here also by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. Understood? Next fifth one, 21 upon 35. So 7 table it is present. 7 5s are and here also 7. 7 3s are 21 and 7 5s are 35. Yes, understood children? So the question number 2, question number first, second, third are finished. Now fourth and 5 are for the homework. So you have to start to solve that all from first question and question number 5 and 4 homework. If any difficulty is there, then you can call me. Thank you.